Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Revianti, mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan UNP Padang 2023. Hari ini saya akan melakukan ujian PPL siklus 1. Happy watching.
Attention please. Let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Greeting.
Any absent today?
Yes.
Adelavi?
Present.
Anggun?
Yes, I am.
Anwar Adel?
Present.
Ayu?
Present.
Bagas?
Present.
Cika?
Present.
Ilham? Yadanda?
Present.
Kardowi?
Yes, I am.
Miss Lia?
Present.
Oke, Apriandi?
Present.
Fahri?
Present.
Rizan?
Yes, I am.
Mutiara?
Present.
Zeki?
Present.
Rara?
Present.
Siti Zahra?
Present.
Okay. Before all right today,
We are.
happy breakfast today.
Yes.
Okay. Are you still scared to do our lesson today? Still scared?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Today we before our start our lesson, begin our lesson, I want to ask you our lesson before. Maybe in the class in junior school, we have a lot about the describe animal. Maybe you still remember about that?
Yes.
Your teacher asks you what is animals? Have a long ear, have the fur It is jump. And then eat a cat. What is animal?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Still remember about that? Masih ingat nggak pelajaran itu?
Yes.
At Union High School, describe something. Okay. So our goal, the lesson today, to identify information about the something place, giving information about the place, and then analyze the generic structure about the something place. Okay. Okay. Before I explain our lesson today, let's see the picture. Why? Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. Do you see?
Yes.
How many picture? How many? Okay, the first picture.
What about the
That picture. Borobudur. And then the second picture. National. The next, the third. Therefore, do you know about the picture? Have you visit? Have you visit this picture? This place? Not yet. Borobudur Temple. Have you visit? Who visit? Who have visit Borobudur Temple? Ada. What is it? What is it? What the location? Java. Okay, next picture. What is it? Masalah. What is it? Jakarta. Next. Eiffel Tower. What is it? Paris. The next. What is it? Italy. Okay. After you see this picture, can you describe the character of the picture? Apa? Storyboarding. Ya, bangunan bersejarah. Sorry. Okay. The next, I will watch the video about the storyboarding. Let's see. Let's watch.
And boundaries. This is the Taj Mahal, an architectural marvel that has captured the imaginations of people around the world for centuries. Its enduring beauty and historical significance make it a symbol of India's rich heritage. Taj Mahal, or the Taj, is a well-known architectural object in India for its finest design, which combine elements from India, Persian and Islamic architectural style. This historical building was built on the south bank of the Yamuna River in Agra. It represents the story of eternal love of the Mughal emperor, Shah Jahan, to his dearest wife Mumtaz Mahal. In 1983, UNESCO placed Taj Mahal into the list of World Heritage Sites and considered it as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. Taj Mahal is a very large tomb made of ivory white marble. The building looks like a mosque, a place for a Muslim to pray. Built in the 17th century, the Taj Mahal is the creation of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, a man deeply in love with his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. It was constructed as a testament to his undying love and as a final resting place for his beloved queen. Once we see it, you will get the impression that Islamic architectural style is very strong in the building, starting with the wall and the calligraphy decorations on it, a huge dome on top of the building along with 4 minarets on every corner of the walls are adorned with semi-precious stones that form intricate floral designs, and the calligraphy is a testament to the influence of Persian art. If we come from the main entrance, you will see a large pool in front of the building. This pool is called the reflecting pool as it will reflect the image of the Taj to the sky. Once we enter the building, you will find that there are more decorations on the inner wall. The tomb is the central focus of the building is located at the lower level. The graves of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan were positioned next to each other in a large room with Persian-style decorations. As the day progresses, the Taj Mahal undergoes a transformation. At sunset, its marble facade seems to blush with shades of pink and orange, casting a mesmerizing reflection in the tranquil place that surround it. Beyond its physical beauty, the Taj Mahal holds immense historical significance. It stands as a symbol of enduring love and devotion, a reminder of the lengths to which one man went to honor his beloved. The Taj Mahal's influence extends far beyond its borders. It has inspired countless poets, artists, and architects, leaving an indelible mark on the world's cultural landscape. Today, millions of visitors from across the globe come to witness the Taj Mahal's majesty. Efforts are continually made to preserve and protect this precious gem for future generations. Standing before the Taj Mahal, one is reminded of the power of love, the heights of human creativity, and the enduring legacy of a bygone era. Experience the magic of the Taj Mahal, where love and artistry come together in perfect harmony, reminding us that some things are indeed timeless.
Okay? Do you know this place?
Yes.
In senior high school, we will describe many things. Banyak lagi. You can describe. For example, you can describe the place. Storyboarding. Tempat bersejarah. Oke. Descriptive text. Tentunya you have here about the descriptive text. So, who know what is the descriptive text? Tahu apa itu descriptive text? Raise his hand if you know about the descriptive text. What is descriptive text? Ariel? Can you answer? Tadi udah saya katakan apa itu descriptive text? Apa? Descriptive text itu, let's see, coba lihat. Descriptive text itu adalah describe. Apa bacanya di situ? Jadi descriptive text itu adalah mendescribe something, beside person, lagi, thing, atau place. Describe, menggambarkan how the characteristics of the place, what the look like appearance, what the color, what the size, what the and anything else. Ya, jadi kita menggambarkan bagaimana bentuknya, bagaimana karakternya, and story buildingnya, bagaimana tempat itu dibangun. Oke. Kemudian ada social function. What is the social function of the descriptive text? Ada yang tahu social function of the descriptive text? If you make this something, jika kalian membuat satu, tentu ada fungsinya. Ya, kira-kira social function itu apa? Mana? Apa social functionnya? Kalau di situ apa? Social function itu describe apa? Person, things, places, specifically to giving the information for the another view. Jadi kita mendeskripsikan sesuatu, tempat atau apa itu untuk memberikan informasi kepada orang lain. Oke, kemudian ada generic structure. Generic structure-nya itu adalah arrange, how to make the descriptive text. Gimana susunannya? Oke. Ada yang pertama, the phrase, ada identification. Kemudian ada description. Identify. Mengidentifikasi what the object di paragraf pertama, what the object you want to describe. Kedua, apa objeknya yang mau dideskripsikan. And then for the participant, just focus one participant. Jadi kita hanya fokus pada satu objek aja untuk mendeskripsikannya. Oke, kemudian ada description. Itu di paragraf selanjutnya ada description. Di situ kita mendescribe how they look like, appearance, bagaimana bentuknya, the character, shape, color, maybe the story buildingnya, itu disebutkan di situ. Oke, kemudian ada apa lagi? Language feature, bahasa yang digunakan dalam teks. Oke, maybe apa? Language feature uses to the descriptive text. Using the simple present tense. Kemudian apa lagi? Adjective. Jadi untuk menggambarkan dia the beautiful place, amazing place, itu namanya adjective. Kemudian apa lagi? What is it? Apa? Itu apa? Sebagai apa dia? Identification. Jadi yang mau diidentifikasi adalah Taj Mahal. Where is it? Di mana? Where is the place? Di mana tempatnya? Dan lagi disimpan di situ. Lagi disimpan di situ. Nah, kemudian the next, the historical thing-nya, how to put. Di sini where is it? Di mana dia? This place. India di mana ya? Where? Yamuna River. Nah, and then the second paragraph itu Taj Mahal is very large. Itu ada description-nya. Jadi Taj Mahal itu very large, sangat besar. Dia describe bahwa Taj Mahal itu large. And apa? Tensesnya di situ apa? Pada tenses we use? What tenses we use? Present tense. What do you know is the present tense? Is, to be-nya digunakan adalah is. Ya, and then there is the adjective tadi istilahnya very large, berarti menggunakan adjective. Okay. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan? So, what is the social function of the text Taj Mahal ini? Can you find the social function of the Taj Mahal? The social functionnya apa? To describe about Taj Mahal and giving information to other people about the Taj Mahal. Okay. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Are you understand what I explained? Yes. Okay. Now I want to define you four group. Jadi mau kita bagi ke 4 kelompok. Okay. I will divide the first group. Ayub, Dowi, Farid, Faiz, dan Adil. Please sit with your friends. Your group. Sit with your group. Sit, mas. Sit with your group. Understand? Yes. Then sit with your group. The second group, Rizal, Bagas, Apri, Zeki, Danda. Sit Find the information about the picture. Coba cari informasi tentang gambar itu. Dah. And then after you get the information about the picture, make this short dialogue. Make this dialogue. Understand? Short conversation, percakapan singkat about the storyboarding. Using your textbook. Dah? Okay? You want the information the place, di mana tempatnya, dan apa karakter of the place, karakter dari tempatnya itu, and then apa lagi? For anything about the place, and then you make the short dialogue, kalian buat dialognya. Teman yang satu menanyakan where is the place, pemain kalian role play, bermain peran. Jadi ada satu temannya want to get the information about the place, and another place giving information about the place, dan teman lain memberikan informasi tentang tempat itu. For example, apa contohnya? Excuse me sir, do you know where this place? Tahu nggak di mana ini tempat ini? Can you be my guide? Mau nggak jadi pemandu saya? And then another place, teman yang lain can be guide for your friends. Understand what I mean? And then after you get the information about the place, temukan kontennya, what konten isinya. I have the LKPD 2. Ada tugas yang keduanya. Udah dapat semua? Okay. After you get the information about the place, you make the LKPD 2 what the name of place, kontennya, isinya, kemudian find the social function and language feature-nya. Nah, language feature tadi bahasa yang digunakan, present tense-nya yang mana, adjective-nya yang mana, adverb-nya yang mana, leading verb-nya yang mana, social function-nya apa. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Let's find the information about the place. Silakan. And then after that, you present in front of class. Jadi presentasi sebabkan ke depan ke dialognya. What time is it?
Name of place.
That's right. That's correct.
Okay, before let's see the conversations, the example conversations.
Kali ini kita akan belajar percakapan bahasa Inggris tentang historical place tentang bersejarah.
Welcome to Sister Branch's channel. Speak English, why not?
Which tourist attraction do you prefer when traveling? Historical places or natural landmarks? Which tourist attraction do you prefer when traveling? Historical places or natural landmarks? Tempat wisata manakah yang kamu sukai saat berwisata untuk bersejarah atau lingkungan alam? Which attractions do you prefer when traveling? Historical places or natural landmarks? Well, historical places are always my first choice when traveling. Well, historical places are always my first choice when traveling. Nah, tempat bersejarah selalu menjadi pilihan utama saat berwisata. Well, historical places are always my first choice when traveling. What do you usually do when visiting historical places? What do you usually do when visiting historical places? Apa yang biasa kamu lakukan saat mengunjungi tempat bersejarah? What do you usually do when visiting historical places? I usually listen to the tour guide introducing the sites and take notes about important historical events. I usually listen to the tour guide introducing the sites and take notes about important historical events. Saya biasanya mendengarkan pemandu wisata memperkenalkan pemandangan dan mencatat peristiwa penting dalam sejarah. I usually listen to the tour guide introducing the sites and take notes about important historical events. Can you name some historical places you have visited? Can you name some historical places you have visited? Bisakah kamu menyebutkan beberapa tempat bersejarah yang pernah kamu kunjungi? Can you name some historical places you have visited? Whenever I travel to a foreign country, I always visit its famous historical places. Some of them are pyramids in Egypt, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Stonehenge in England, and the Taj Mahal in India. Whenever I travel to a foreign country, I always visit its famous historical places. Some of them are the pyramid in Egypt, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Stonehenge in England, and the Taj Mahal in India. Setiap kali saya berpergian ke luar negeri, saya selalu mengunjungi tempat-tempat bersejarahnya yang terkenal. Beberapa di antaranya adalah piramida di Mesir, Angkor Wat di Kamboja, Stonehenge di Inggris, dan Taj Mahal di India. Whenever I travel to a foreign country, I always visit its famous historical places. Some of them are the pyramids in Egypt, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, Stonehenge in England, and the Taj Mahal in India. What's your most favorite historical place? Why? What's your most favorite historical place? Why? Apa tempat bersejarah yang paling kamu sukai? Mengapa? What's your most favorite historical place? Why? I love the pyramid the most. Taking a tour around the pyramids, I can not only enjoy also learn cultural and historical values of the ancient Egyptian culture. I love the pyramids the most. Taking a tour around the pyramids, I can not only enjoy the gorgeous architecture, but also learn cultural and historical values of the ancient Egyptian culture. Saya paling suka piramida. Dengan berwisata keliling piramida, saya tidak hanya dapat menikmati arsitekturnya yang indah, tetapi juga mempelajari nilai-nilai budaya dan sejarah budaya Mesir kuno. I love the pyramids the most. Taking the tour around the pyramids, I can not only enjoy the gorgeous architecture, but also learn cultural and historical values of the ancient Egyptian culture. What is the most famous historical place in your country? What is the most famous historical place in your country? Apa tempat bersejarah paling terkenal di negaramu? What is the most famous historical place in your country? It's definitely Monas. It's definitely Monas. Itu pastinya Monas. It's definitely Monas. What's special about it? What's special about it? Apa istimewanya Monas itu? What's special about it? It is a symbol of Indonesian nationalism and independence. It is a symbol of Indonesian nationalism and independence. Monas merupakan simbol nasionalisme dan kemerdekaan Indonesia. It is a symbol of Indonesian nationalism and independence. Where is it located? Where is it located? Di mana letaknya? Where is it located? It's located in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. It's located in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. Letaknya di Jakarta, ibu kota negara Indonesia. It's located in Jakarta, the capital city of Indonesia. Should the youth visit historical places instead of other places? Should the youth visit historical places instead of other places? Harusnya generasi muda mengunjungi tempat-tempat bersejarah dibandingkan tempat lain? Should the youth visit historical places instead of other places? Sure, nowadays the youth should visit this kind of places more often in order to preserve historical and cultural values of their country. Sure, nowadays the youth should visit this kind of places more often in order to preserve historical and cultural values of their country. Tentu, saat ini generasi muda harus lebih sering mengunjungi tempat-tempat bersejarah demi menjaga nilai-nilai sejarah dan budaya negaranya. Sure, nowadays the youth should visit this kind of places more often in order to preserve historical and cultural values of their country. Okay, that's it everyone. Now let's practice. I will be A and you will be B. Which tourist attraction do you prefer when traveling? Historical places or natural landmarks? What do you usually do when visiting historical places? Can you name some historical places you have visited? What's your most favorite historical place? Why? What is the most famous historical place in your country? What's special about it? Where is it located? places instead of other places? Good job everyone. Now let's take turn. You will be A and I will be B.
Oke, yang tadi the example, the short conversations, percakapan, and you can use the question like this. Jadi bisa menggunakan kata-kata yang seperti tadi to ask your friends, ask what the favorite place, apa tempat favoritnya, where is the location, what the special of the place, apa yang spesial dari tempat itu, what the history building, apa sejarahnya dari tempat itu. Okay, understand? Yes. Can you do it? Yes. Okay, let's do it now. Can another participant please
Hello, Mister. Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. What can I do for you?
Sorry, from you. We are from Indonesia. Do you want to be my guide?
Yes, of course. I know that this place is very well.
That's cool. Thank you so much. So, I will install iPad.
Never mind. Good day.
Ready? Good. Ready? Where is this place?
Located in Italy, this place large amphitheater of city of Rome. Let's go. We will arrive at the Colosseum. Go on.
This is Colosseum. Colosseum is one of seven wonders of the world, which is located in Italy. This place is large and bigger in the city of Rome. It is historical place. Therefore, it's acknowledged the symbol of the city. You understand?
This place is very well.
This place very beautiful. Okay, thank you for the bye.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, that's just from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Can I understand what they talk about?
Yes.
What is nama? What is symbol symbol apa tadi? Symbol of city. Oke, jadi tadi kita jangan lupa ada assessment di sini penilaiannya grammaticalnya, pronunciationnya, and influence kelancaran bahasanya, and then the clear of the information. Informasinya jelas nggak yang diberikan? Oke, the next group, please. Okay,
Guys,
next.
You first.
Time is money. Come on.
you are boys.
You are money. Okay, group. The fourth group ya. Perempuan. Yes.
Okay. Let's sing together.
Very good.
Let's sing together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Here we are. What does this represent? Aira, shall we go this holiday?
How we can go to Indonesia? I have read the article in there are one of the seven wonders of the world. It's them for modern travel.
Oh, I know that the Station at Central Java. Their best your life?
Yeah, let's go to prepare and do it too.
Let's go.
Wow, Chica, it's very amazing.
Yeah, Indonesia is very beautiful. Now, and asking about this promoter in Indonesia is to get in there.
Nice, amazing, Chica.
Excuse me, sis. Can I help you?
Since we are foreign tourists, we don't know much about their temples, or can you description it?
Yes, of course, we can do it. Borobudur is one of most beautiful tourist resort in Indonesia. It is location for Jakarta. Borobudur temple is one of seven wonder of the world. The people of Borobudur know that Borobudur is one of the greatest award that ever surmounted long time ago. Borobudur temple is was ruled by Sri Dynasty. More than 1.2 million rivers stone. It is the biggest temple in the world. Borobudur is visited more and more domestic and foreign tourists. Most of them admire Borobudur temple because of its beauty, its elegant, and the story of the life on its walls. Domestic tourists usually go there by bus or private cars, while foreign tourists like to join travel bureau because they don't need to think the transformation, accommodation, and tourism. There are some money chambers around the location. Around the location is many chambers. So you can check your money for buying something. Thank you for your information. This is yes, welcome.
The amazing description. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you, Dewi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I understand?
The next group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, we are from the group 3. Diagram Eiffel Tower. You know?
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Very good. Keren.
Indonesia. Okay, guys, go on.
Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse. This is the information center.
Yes, welcome. May we help you?
What do you have any city?
Yes, we do. The outlaw, they have the free information bucket.
Could we have one, please?
Sir, where are you?
Only information.
Oh, what do you?
Recommend me to see.
Well, you know, you get the well done that in Eiffel Tower. This tower is the third building in the Paris. It's the most visited monument in the world.
Great. What do you have?
Yes, of course. What can we do for you?
Everyone, information to.
Yes, come on, guys. Come on, Okay.
Yes, let's go. We will get started with the one.
This is the Eiffel Tower.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, sure, man, sure.
The Eiffel Tower is an aeronautical tower located at the camp in the Paris. But in 1889, it has become the global icon of Venice and one of the most recognizable structures in the world.
You're welcome, guys. Nice to meet you, Janelle. Okay, thank you very much for me, and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the okay. What you can information about the conversation before?
Eiffel Tower.
The other groups. Where is it located? Okay. Come, the next group, please. The last group.
Let's go to this one, guys.
Come, girls.
Let's go.
Yes, I am involved and no one here knows English. I want to do. I'm trying to visit the national monument, but I don't know where it is. Yes, of course, let's go. Where is the best? In Jakarta. Do you know? In Jakarta, do you know? You mean no, that's not me. The national monuments of Monaco, and it is popular in one of the monuments built dari Soekarno era of French nationalism. The top of the national monument is within Spring Square. Go ahead the cross and the east. About the fifth Indonesia. Southern war, independence of our Soviet of Germany. First, the law of contemplation and display the original. The of independence document and recording of the speech. Okay, thanks for your information. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, all participants have participated for your class. So, what will the points? Apa yang harus kita baik di sini? Setelah beberapa lembar ini, apa yang kita bisa? We can correct pronunciation-nya. Tadi apa tadi? Excuse. Apa lagi? Mungkin pronunciation-nya masih harus banyak belajar ya. Banyak pronunciation. Always listen to the song about the English song to improve your pronunciation. Kemudian using the choose the word, lihat katanya yang digunakan. Okay, after you present, give the information about the place, you have the giving us information about that. Can you analyze what the social function about the each place do you explain? Ya, apa kira-kira social function-nya dari information dari setiap tempat yang di describe tadi? Information. Okay, Borobudur temples. What are the social function?
For description of building of Borobudur temple and its story.
Okay, and then in future you use that bahasa yang digunakan tadi apa?
Present perfect tense.
Present perfect. Can you give the example the sentence? Apa kalimatnya contohnya di situ? Come on.
Borobudur temple is one of the
Using present tense karena dia using to-be-nya menggunakan itu salah satunya. And then what the adjective-nya di mana situ? Borobudur is beautiful place. Apa lagi? Elegant, kan? Figures. Okay. Eiffel. Can you give me information about the Eiffel and the social function about the your information? Social function dari tuh, jadi information about the Eiffel-nya. And then kalimat adjektifnya di situ apa? Adjektifnya sifatnya.
It's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful place. Itu semua?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Dan nanti bisa dikumpul tadi yang tanya suruh find the social function, generic structure. Pertama, identify what you want to describe. Kemudian describe about the place-nya. Kertas itu nanti dikumpulkan sama ketua kelasnya, ketua kelompoknya. Okay, what we can conclude about our lesson today? Yang bisa kita simpulkan pelajaran hari ini. Apa yang kita pelajari? We learn about how to describe something place and how to giving information for the another people. Bagaimana memberikan informasi kepada orang lain. How to communicate, describe continue our lessons in the next meeting, and don't forget study again at your rooms. And the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.